Hi everyone, this is PhD Natural Me, and this is Vlog from the Road, the Keto RV lifestyle. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, just want to come back and tell you what we do with our fresh tank before we head out on trips. There's our fresh tank, and Mike is going to tell you what we do.
Fill out the fresh tank because you put bleach in it so we can clean it because it's been on and off because we used it for a month.
How much bleach?
I don't know. Quarter cup?
About a quarter of a cup. What else? You just fill it up until it... You fill it up with water, let it drain, and then
fill it up about halfway, let that drain, fill up fresh water.
And then fill it up again.
And then
And let that drain, and then fill up. You don't want to be drinking bleach water.
Because you have to use bottled water for coffee stuff anyway.
Oh yeah. When we are inside, we actually use bottled water and not the water from the fresh tank to make coffee, just in case, just to be safe. Okay, now we're heading around to the other side of the RV so that we can show you how to drain the tank. I'll show you here. Our RV, it's actually on this side here, and you'll see what it looks like. There you go. Which
pull
one?
that.
Which one? Okay, go ahead and pull it. Make sure you hold it as you're pulling it so you don't break it.
You got the right one?
And there it drains. Watch your knees.
Does it smell like bleach?
It smells like pine sol from where it's cleaning up.
Yeah, the shit smell like bleach.
Oh, I don't know. Michael, does that smell like bleach down there?
What the smells in that thing? Put some in your hand.
It's all good.